Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 9 of distance learning. We only have 2 weeks left to go of actual assignments. The last week will be more activities that we'll just do for fun. But I wanted to go over with you today our schedule for this week. So today, Monday, 5/18, I'd like you to make a goal by 4 p.m. Make sure you are doing SDL because we only have 2 weeks left for that. And if you've passed a social studies focus area since April 27th, you need to resubmit checkpoint 1 to make sure you have green. And then we're going to start checkpoint 4. So I want to show you what checkpoint 4 looks like. So here's checkpoint 4, answering your inquiry. It's due May 20th. When we open up the actual checkpoint, it says place your compelling question here. So please put in your compelling question. Then in this box, you're going to write an argumentative claim. So I'm going to show you a sample of how to do that. So let's say my compelling question was, what was the impact of the Crusades? And my supporting question number 1 was, what were some positive results of the Crusades? And my supporting question number 2 is, what were some negative results of the Crusades? So to change that into an argumentative claim, I would type the Crusades had both negative and positive impacts. And that would be my argumentative claim. So I would take that and I would put it in the actual checkpoint right here. Okay. Then down here, you're going to copy and paste from checkpoint 3 if you got a green. A minimum of 4 pieces of evidence. I think checkpoint 3, some of you only did 3 sources, 3 pieces of evidence, but for this checkpoint you have to have 4. So here you would type which question it's related to. So you would type compelling and then tell me your compelling question. So what impact did the Crusades have? And here maybe supporting number 1 and positives, and then supporting number 2, negatives, and then maybe I have another one for negatives, supporting number 2, negatives. Okay. Then you put the name of the resource link here, get your quote, your actual quote, then explain it. And then the last step is something new. You have to connect it to today's world. So if one of the positives of the Crusades was that people interacted with new ideas, you could talk about that in today's world. We have a global economy. We have ways of talking and instantly meeting with people around the globe. And that would be similar to what was happening during the Crusades, but on a smaller scale. So I would type all of that in to connect to today's world, because when you go to do your final product, part of your grade will be connecting what you learned to something today. And then that's all you have to do for this checkpoint, and you're going to turn that in. Now, today you only have to do the argumentative claim, this part right here. And then if we go back to the chart of assignments, tomorrow you should still be doing SDL, and then you work on part 2, gathering your evidence from checkpoint 3 and copy and paste it into checkpoint 4. You will have to find one more. Wednesday, I'm having you turn in checkpoint 4 and do Newsela. And then Thursday, I will post a new video, and it will be about how to do the Flipgrid for the final product. And you can still be doing SDL, and then Friday you can start working on your Flipgrid. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, as always, you can email me, and I hope you have a great week.